What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. Before we get started, if you guys are brand new here, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on the YouTube video because it helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe because again, we are welcoming all new subscribers and we're building one of the biggest, baddest, best YouTube communities that there actually is on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for doing that. But as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail, I'm here to share with you guys my experiences, my reviews, and ultimately my thoughts on network marketing. So for those of you that don't know, again, my name is Austin Lewis, 25 years old, serial entrepreneur living in Scottsdale, Arizona. I actually got started in network marketing. So few of the points that I'm gonna hit for those of you that are entrepreneurs or wanting to get into entrepreneurship. Some of these things that I'm gonna share with you are honestly probably what's gonna push you to actually get started in some industry like network marketing. A lot of individuals as I was growing up thought it was a scam, thought it was a pyramid scheme, but at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, a pyramid scheme is a transfer of money without a product or service. So again, if a network marketing company has a service or it has a product, then it is essentially not a pyramid scheme. So now that we debunked that, before I got some weird comments in the comment section below, if you guys disagree with me, let's debunk that. Drop in the comment section down below. But I actually got started in network marketing when I was 15 years old. One thing to take a look at when you guys are getting into a network marketing company is there is going to be some sort of startup cost. The cool part about network marketing and essentially the different businesses and the different industries that it's essentially in, again, you have your lotion companies, you have your trading companies, you have your coffee companies, you have your meal prep companies. There's all sorts of different types of companies that are out there that you can leverage and actually take a look at and what fits you best. Now, at the time when I got started in my business, I actually got started in a company that sold a pill and it also had lotions. So again, at 16 years old, that probably wasn't the best thing to get involved in. But at the end of the day, I liked the startup costs, I liked the team, I liked the environment, and essentially I liked the comp plan. So all a compensation plan is essentially how you get paid. So when you get started in a network marketing company and you go out there and share these products and services with the friends and family that you like, trust, and respect because you believe in these products, you believe in these services, then you're essentially going to be bringing on customers that like the product and service as well, that end up going out there and sharing it with other individuals that they like, trust, and respect. So compensation plan was essentially the breakdown of how individuals get paid through the company, right? Through the company, get paid on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis. There's so many comp plans that are out there distinguishing different within the different companies because there's some companies that just pay once a month. There's some companies that pay twice a month. There's some companies that pay 4 times a month, ladies and gentlemen. And there's companies out there that literally do pay weekly. In fact, my first 6-figure year in network marketing was a company that paid me week after week after week. So every single week, I was able to receive a check or a direct deposit from this network marketing company. Some of the pros to network marketing, I truly believe are, let's start with number 1. You're gonna learn how to get out of your comfort zone. So again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that didn't know me or didn't meet me prior to age 25, which is how old I am now, from age 16 to 20, I was extremely shy. I didn't know how to talk to people. Essentially, now I have the gift of gab is what people will tell me, but I didn't have the gift of gab, and I honestly was not a good salesperson. So when I got into network marketing, I actually was taught all of those skills, but it was getting me outside my comfort zone. It was getting me outside of what it is that I already knew, like I already was used to, in getting me into a position of doing things different, getting started in a different industry, a different business, something that required me to talk to people, something that required me to read books, something that required me to do personal development. And again, ladies and gentlemen, that was not something I was used to growing up. That was just something I stumbled across because that's what network marketing led me into. So one, it got me really uncomfortable, which essentially grew me as a person. Number two is you actually get around some of the most incredible individuals that you will ever be involved with in your entire life. Now, here's exactly what I mean. Every time you get into network marketing or you look at a network marketing company, network marketing is something that somebody can get into for a low barrier entry cost. So instead of opening up a laundromat for $40,000, they can pay $1,000 and get into this business, or $750. That's what I paid, or $500 or $200. There's some network marketing companies you can get involved with for $100, $99. I'm sorry. Okay. So again, the standard cost is $499 typically. I don't essentially know what it is right now, but I could potentially Google that. The industry standard to get into network marketing is typically right around $500. So leading into point two is network marketing is essentially a company built up of individuals that actually want to do more, want to become more, and essentially want to achieve more, ladies and gentlemen. So for those of you that are looking at a network marketing company or interested in getting into entrepreneurship, just know that you're going to get around some of the best people that motivate you, that push you, that are not filled with greed, that are not filled with anger, not filled with a bad mindset. They're people that are getting into a company that want more, that want to achieve more, that want to become more, that want to be a part of essentially something bigger than themselves. So that was number two, that you are going to be getting around incredible people. And that's what happened for me. I was able to meet incredible individuals that still today, I haven't been in network marketing for a little over 4 years now, and still today, I communicate with these people almost on a daily basis. Number three is that it's going to teach you how to actually become a salesperson. Now, if you can't sell, you can't earn money. At the end of the day, if you cannot sell, then you essentially are going to have to go get a regular job. And again, before you leave this video, I'm not downing other jobs. I'm just upping opportunity. The beautiful part in what I'm sharing with you guys is I did not know how to sell when I got into network marketing. Now, when I left network marketing, I knew exactly how to sell, the art of persuasion, because again, at the end of the day, my most important thing on why I suggest individuals to get into network marketing is this right here: personal development. It taught me how to have personal development, how to not listen to Drake, but listen to podcasts, how to not play video games, but watch YouTube videos, how to not eat bad food, but how to eat clean food and listen to a podcast while I did that. Instead of listening to garbage and making other individuals millions of dollars, I started pumping good things into my brain, what it is that you can actually go do for free. There's this thing called YouTube, podcasts, Stitcher, Apple, iTunes, music, anything. You can listen to value add on a daily basis that essentially reprograms your mind to actually go out there and become a successful individual, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you guys have any questions for me, literally whatsoever, then make sure and drop in the comment section down below. Honestly, here's a couple of pictures of me and my network marketing companies. I absolutely had a blast. I was pleasure to be number 44 out of a company, and at the current time that I was in this company, I happened to be the youngest diamond rank in the company at a specific time. It was absolutely a blast. I met incredible people. I still talk to a lot of the people that I met in this company. We built teams of thousands of individuals. It literally absolutely changed my life. And so, you know, one of the biggest things too with network marketing is you get a massive tax benefit. So for those of you that work a 9-to-5 and want to get into a business where you can actually have a massive tax benefit, network marketing is definitely going to be your route that you should definitely take getting started in. Even if you just ordered products on a monthly basis and didn't go out there and share it with a lot of people, you can still write that off as a write-off at the end of the day. But again, talk to your guys' accountant for that. I don't want to give you guys tax advice. I just want to share with you guys, it is a massive tax benefit. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what network marketing was for me. That's my experience. I know it's not like that for a lot of people, but I know a lot of people that get into the industry always walk away a better person than when they showed up. And I think that speaks higher volume than how much money a person made in network marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are brand new here, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video because it helps the YouTube algorithm, like I said at the beginning of this video. If you guys are brand new as well, make sure and smash the subscribe button. We're welcoming all new subscribers. Let me know what you guys think about my Stormtrooper. Mr. Price Goodman actually just dropped it off for me. It says hustle literally right there. If you guys can't see, zoom in or do something, screenshot it. If you guys like what I'm doing in my office, drop in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.